Fuck your bitch, you fat motherfucker. West side, bad boy killers. You know who.
Check yourself before you wreck yourself. Come on, check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Cause shotgun bullets are bad for your health.
Smile, horsey! Oh my god. The horse in the car.
When we ride on our enemies, bet all you motherfuckers. Can't touch this. You can't touch this. So good, it's alright. Fuck all day, fuck all night. Call my bitches, cause wherever I go, call my bitches. East to the west coast, all my bitches. Yo, chickens is good. Stay out my way, motherfucker. Gonna pop, then we gonna go, then we let it pop, don't let it go.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got it bad cause I'm brown. And not the other color, so police think they have the.
Mom, and you so ignorant.
Simon says, get the fuck up, throw your hands in the sky. Weezer's in the back, sipping yak, y'all, what's up?
Don't touch it.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got it bad cause I'm brown. Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. A young nigga got it bad cause I'm brown. And not the other color, so police think.
Bisous.
Essaye de le caresser.
Non.
Baiser, gros. Il veut me faire une baise. Il veut lui. Lâche-le à coup. Toi t'as une cétox mon pote.
Smoke weed every day. Get out the way, get out the way, bitch, get out the way. Move, bitch, get out the way, get out the way, bitch.
He's gonna come sit by you.
That's crazy.
Try to pet him.
No, no, that motherfucker got the big ass beacon on there.
Expect me, nigga, like you expect Jesus to come back. Expect me, nigga. I'm coming.
Why, oh, why must you swoop through the hood like everybody from the hood? It's up to no good.
Get him, Jonathan.
I got him.
Oh, you got it. Let's see. Look at the camera. Say, I got that fish.
I got that motherfucking fish.
Stop! Drop! Come on! Shut them down, open up shop. Oh, no. What? That's a rough rider's road.
Knock, knock, who's there? Well, it's the gang, it's the A-Stuff. The gangster who? Yo, it's your brother, gangster Dre stuff. Open up the door so I can flow and let them know that me and BG knock it.
I'm a nigga with an attitude, thanks to y'all. And I don't give a fuck, I keep it gangster.
Simon says, get the fuck up, throw your hands in the sky. Weezer's in the back, sipping yak, y'all, what's up?
I like that one. The baby one.
Man down, where you from, nigga? Fuck who you know, where you from, my nigga? Where your grandma stay, my nigga? This mad city I run, my nigga.
Enough for the judge this pair on animal abuse charges.
Fox 8 News reporter Kathleen Cochran live in Russell Township with details.
Hi, Bill and Stacy. Well, the couple is accused of throwing two cats like this one here out of their car and killing them. Now, as part of their sentence, this little guy's having fun, but now as part of their sentence, the couple is going to have to come right
Down with OJ, so fuck how you living. I'm the unforgiving